Is your posture causing your numbness, tingling, or pain down your arm? Yes, poor posture can lead to those symptoms. Hi, I'm Dr. Ongko. I've been serving as a chiropractor for over 20 years in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. And in this video, Dr. AJ is going to explain to you how your neck posture can cause arm pain and show you 2 tests that help to localize your problems.
So poor posture can definitely be a reason why people get symptoms going down into their arms. And a lot of it has to do with what actually goes on within the neck itself. Now, within a poor posture, when we're carrying ourselves in this direction, we are actually changing the alignment or the anatomy of the neck, which can eventually lead to either disc herniation or what we call degeneration of the spine over time, right? So when it comes to disc herniation or degeneration, typically what happens is the passageway for nerves coming out of the spine start to get smaller and smaller, affecting how the information goes through. And a lot of these nerves then do go down into the arms, into the hands, and into the fingers, right? So a lot of the common symptoms that people will deal with is numbness and tingling, arm or general arm pain, weakness into the arm, or sometimes an electric shock or shooting pain that goes from the neck down into the fingers as well. What we want to talk about today, though, is that with poor posture, the source of the pain can actually come from the neck or come from the shoulder, depending on where the compression is along the course of the nerve. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about 2 different tests that are going to localize where the source of that pain actually is coming from. Now, as a disclaimer, again, it's very important that you consult with your chiropractor to help you uncover the source of these issues. The tests that we're going to go about today are not all-encompassing. Your chiropractor will go through other tests as well to help you understand your condition. But these are going to help give you an understanding of where your discomforts, where your symptoms may be coming from. So the first test that we're going to go through is what we call the Sperling's test. And the way that this works is we're going to get into a rotation and we're going to move the head back a bit and then compression of the spine like this. Now, the reason why we do this test is we want to uncover whether the origin of the nerve with compression will lead to some of the symptoms going down into the arm, which tells us that a lot of your problems are coming from the neck and the neck posture itself. Another test that we would do as well is what we call the shoulder abduction test. And simply what you can do is just have the arm go above your head like this. Now, this movement should typically relieve the symptoms going down into your arm, all right? If this is associated with still some symptoms into the arm or even some limitation and pain into the shoulders, then this shows us that it's not necessarily coming from here, it's more coming from the shoulder itself. So these 2 tests will just give you a baseline understanding of where the source of the problem might be. But like I said, it's better to consult with your chiropractor to have a better understanding of the source of the issue. So going into a chiropractic office, normally you would consult with the chiropractor to get a history about the condition and then go through an examination, which includes checking the spine, but also tests that are associated with the symptoms themselves. And then even things like x-rays will help uncover, again, other sources of the problem too. But again, at the end of the day, it's best to consult with your chiropractor to have a better understanding of what's going on. In our next video, we're going to be going over some exercises to help with some of the symptoms going down into your arm to improve, again, your overall posture to prevent things like that from happening. And don't forget, a healthy spine is a healthy life. So check out our previous videos right over here so you can learn how to improve your posture so you can live a healthier life. You can also click down here to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell as well so you're notified when our new videos do come out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and leave comments down below as well of any questions that you might have, and we'll see you in the next video.